guys, this is QSG. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate brick force using this formula. So this is the formula for brick force. It's 1000 square millimeters over number of courses times course height. So this formula gives us the length of brick force per square meter. So it's per square meter or per 1000 square millimeter. So I just did this simple illustration of a wall. This is our wall, so that we can prove our calculations. So yeah, the wall is 5 by 2, and then I just did these calculations here. So we have 23,529 courses going up, and then we have 5,88 courses with brick force, the courses that we put brick force after them. So of the lines of brick force, we have got 5,88, and then the area of the wall is actually 10 square meters. So I hope you understand there on 5,88. It's actually the courses of brick force. We have got 5,88 courses here. So if we move on to calculate the total amount of brick force needed on this wall, we say 1000 square millimeters by 4 by 75 millimeters plus 10 millimeters. So here on this formula, we're actually doing calculations in millimeters. So if we calculate this, we get this number 2,94. So actually this 75 millimeters is actually the height of a brick, standard common brick, or the thickness of a standard common brick. So, and then this 10 is the thickness of the mortar, and then the 4 is the number of courses where we put our brick force. Like if we can count 1 2 3 4 and put our brick force, and then 1 2 3 4 and we put again our brick force. So that's this 4 is 4. You can actually do 3 1 2 or 5 if you want. So if we get this 2,94, so this is the length of brick force required per 1000 square millimeters or per 1 square meter. So if we multiply that by 10 square meters, we get 29,4. So that's our answer there. So before I move on, some of you might be wondering, here we've got millimeters, how come we multiply this answer with square meters? It's actually the same. You can actually convert this one, you get the same answer. So it's the same answer, so don't worry guys. And then our proof here, so with this statement, it reads, if the length of brick force for one course is 5 meters, then 5 meters by number of courses with brick force is equal to total length. So as our wall is 5 meters, so if the length of one course with brick force is 5, it's also 5 meters. So if you multiply the length of one course in this 5 meters by the total, by the number of courses with brick force, this 5,88, we should get the same answer. And indeed we got the same answer, 29,4. So we have proved that our formula works. So here is how you put it on your takeoff sheet. So let's say we're calculating for brickwork. So our description reads, brickwork in common bricks in 1:4 cement and mortar in stretcher bond. And then we've got those dimensions, 28,87 and 2,60. Yeah, you multiply those two, you get 75,062 square meters. So we say end brick force to suit 1:5 wall, because we have 1:5 wall on our plan, on that previous plan which we did. So if we say